Hi guys, welcome to Hardware and Info channel. Today I will show you how to add remove magnification on your Samsung Galaxy F54. Our first step, from main menu we must navigate to the settings. In it we look for accessibility option, and there we have our vision. Now we scroll down to magnification, and there we must switch on. After that we set how we want start our magnification. It can be by tap accessibility button, what you want. And after that we have our button there, icon, and after we press on that we have our magnification. To change position of it we must use two finger, and in it we can change position of our zoom. To turn off it we click on our icon on the right corner. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.